Disassembled here on the bench, we have a Valtek Mark One control valve. This is a globe-style control valve. It's got a very small trim in this case. It's a needle-style plug. It's much smaller than you may expect for other valves of this physical size. Looking inside there, you see the seat where that needle fits into, and there's the whole body assembly. Coming over here, we see the yoke, and then we see the piston actuator. So instead of having a diaphragm, this actually uses a piston with an O-ring seal, and there's the spring that provides the fail-safe mode. Looking at the documentation, here's a document showing the valve body, the yoke, and the actuator like this, and it's a piston again. It goes up and down, and that's what sets or establishes the motion of the valve. So yeah, we've got ourselves a piston-actuated globe valve, control valve, in this case made by Valtek. It is a Mark One model of valve.